Hey guys, welcome back to my air conditioner's loud as hell. Welcome back to CountyLine TV. We are gonna try to fix that temporarily. We just want to bend the tie rod back out. If you guys have been following, you know that I crashed twice last weekend. One time wasn't really a crash, it was just a kind of a hard hit from the follow driver. It was Mike Steele, not his fault. I said that in the last video, or 2 videos ago or whatever, I'll say it again. Not his fault. I screwed up. I parked the car in front of him. Luckily, I didn't take really any damage, and I think he said he didn't take much either. But then, on Sunday, I crashed pretty bad. And you can see the rear tie rod thing, tow arm thing, whatever you want to call it. It's not very straight. So we're gonna take it out of the car and beat it straight as we can so that we can get this off of the lift until the new one comes in to replace it, so that we can work on a couple of other things on the lift, because the lift is handy. So this is really hot. I'll look at the times from when I started recording these videos, and I'll put how long that took us, because it couldn't have been more than like 15 minutes. It's done. And it appears to the naked eye pretty freaking straight. So it'll definitely be more than good enough to pull off the lift and then park it and pull it back on the lift whenever we're done with these other projects that we've got. So moving right along to the next project, let's do it. So I figured I'd show you guys our next project. You've seen this car before. It's CJ's V36 G35 sedan sport. And I just wanted to show you, that way you didn't think we had some spicy secret project going on. We got to change an axle, because that one, yeah. So we're gonna change this axle. I don't think I need to do like some crazy how-to on how to change an axle, because it's the same as everything else. All you do is unbolt those 6 bolts there, and then you take this pin off of the nut, take the nut out. Yeah, that guy. And it comes out. That's pretty much it. Nissan Infiniti, whatever you want to call it, did a really good job on these cars. 350Zs, G35 Coupes, G37 Coupe and Sedan, 370Z. All these axles are the best type of axle. I don't like ones that flange into the diff with like a slip yoke thing. I don't dig that. But anyway, we're gonna get this done, and then I want to show you something before we take it off the lift, because it's whack. Well guys, sometimes things just aren't what you want them to be. So CJ, show them what your welded diff is doing. That ain't very welded, is it? But it was. So that's a big bummer, because this was somebody's drift car, and it was a welded diff, and now like it acts welded sometimes, but it's got a huge void where it can like move back and forth. So the welds have probably broken. We'll get the diff out and open it up. So I told you guys I had something to show you when we got done with old CJ's car here, and you're gonna like this. Look at that axle geometry. That thing is going up. I wonder if I can get a flatter.
It doesn't really show it that great.
Yeah,
it's bad.
Yeah, the camera makes it look flatter, but I swear that axle angle is rough. There it is, right there. It is rough.
It matches those toe arms, if not worse.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. But car's done. Diff swap, axle swap. Tried to do some exhaust better, because the previous owner put RTV for exhaust gaskets. See you next time. Tell your mom to subscribe.